To address the situation of adding a dedicated bathroom circuit to a home with a limited 60 amp service and a fuse panel, one potential solution involves replacing one of the existing 15 amps fuses in the main panel with the appropriately sized circuit breaker. The goal is to provide power to the new bathroom circuit while staying within the existing 60 amp service capacity. This option requires careful consideration of the electrical load. The first step is to calculate the existing electrical load in the 60 amps fuse panel. This calculation should include all circuits powered by the panel, accounting for both continuous and non-continuous loads. Continuous loads are those that operate for 3 hours or more, and they must be calculated at 125% of their amp rating. Non-continuous loads are those that operate for less than 3 hours. The total load should not exceed 80% of the 60 amp service capacity, which is 48 amps. If the existing load is low enough, then it might be possible to replace one of the 15 amps fuses with a breaker to power the new bathroom circuit. A dedicated 20 amp circuit is recommended for a bathroom to handle the loads of hair dryers and other appliances. Article 210.11 C3 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires at least one 20 amp circuit to supply bathroom receptacle outlets. The bathroom circuit can only feed receptacles in the bathroom and no other outlets or equipment according to NEC 210.23. Eighth, it's important to note that the NEC does allow you to supply more than one bathroom with a single 20 amp circuit. If this is the case, consider the load from both bathrooms when determining if it can be added to the existing panel. The ampacity of the conductors, or wires, must match the rating of the circuit breaker. For a 20 amp circuit, a 12 American wire gauge, or AUG, copper wire with type NMB cable is usually sufficient, but verify local codes and requirements. Check NEC Table 310.15. B16 for ampacity ratings. Before replacing the fuse with a breaker, ensure that the existing fuse box is compatible with circuit breakers. Fuse boxes are typically designed to hold fuses, and converting them to accept breakers can be challenging or impossible. Some fuse boxes may have the ability to accept certain types of breakers. If the existing fuse box cannot accommodate a breaker, then the entire fuse box needs to be replaced with a circuit breaker panel. This might be more involved and costly, but it ensures a safe and code-compliant installation. If the existing fuse box can accommodate a breaker, then it can be removed and the new breaker installed. Connect the wires for the new bathroom circuit to the breaker, ensuring proper polarity and secure connections. Run the new circuit wiring to the bathroom following all applicable electrical codes. Install a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, receptacle in the bathroom, as required by NEC 210.8. A1. A GFCI protects against electrical shock. All bathroom receptacles must be GFCI protected. After completing the wiring, test the new circuit to ensure that it is working correctly. Use a multimeter to check the voltage and continuity. Plug a test load into the receptacle to verify that it can handle the load. It's essential to consult with a qualified electrician before making any electrical modifications. An electrician can assess the existing electrical system, perform load calculations, and ensure that all work is done safely and in compliance with local electrical codes. Replacing a fuse with a breaker to add a new circuit can be a viable option, but it requires careful planning, load calculations, and adherence to electrical codes. Prioritize safety and compliance with all applicable regulations.